We are going ahead in MySQL. Select clause. Select clause can be used with following clauses. Select, from, where, group by, having and order by. Today I have introduced a new clause, that is having clause after group by clause. Can you see that? Having clause always works with group by clause because having clause is to apply condition on groups, not on individual records. When we use group by clause with having clause, first group by clause works and it creates groups. On these groups which we have created using group by clause, we can apply aggregate functions to produce one row output or one row result. After that, having clause works and it allows only those groups to be displayed which satisfy condition. Before we use having clause, first we will understand the difference between where clause and having clause. First difference, the condition which we write in where clause will check each individual record in table. But the condition which we write in having clause will not work on individual records. It will work on group of records, the groups which we create using group by clause. The aggregate functions which you have already studied before cannot be used in where clause. But students, those aggregate functions can be used in having clause. We should write where clause after from clause and having clause after group by clause. In sample database, again I am going to take table EMP. Today first question is this. Here first we will have to create groups according to department because as you can see in question it is written department wise. So the first group is maintenance, then production and then quality. After forming groups, when we apply function AVG on salary, we can calculate average salary values. See here. This result is because in maintenance department, salary value is 30,000. So, average salary is also 30,000. In production department, salary values are 25,000, 48,000 and 40,000. So, average salary is calculated this. In quality department, salary values are 35,000, 40,000, 35,000 and 42,000. So, average salary value for quality department is this. Now, these are the maximum salary values in each department. In maintenance department, maximum salary value is 30,000. In production department, maximum salary value is 48,000 and in quality department, maximum salary value is 42,000. Now students, according to question, only those departments should be displayed in which maximum salary is more than 40,000. So here only production and quality groups will be displayed. See. And now our query will be this. As we discussed in group by clause, I have written DEPT to create groups department wise. And in having clause, I have specified the condition which I want to apply on groups. The condition is maximum salary should be greater than 40,000. In select clause, I have used function AVG on column salary to calculate average salary value. Now next question is this. Now we will form groups on location. First group is Delhi, then Mumbai, and then Pune. After forming groups, when we apply function max on salary, we can display maximum salary in each group. See. This is because in Delhi, maximum salary value is 48,000. So, in output also it is 48,000. In Mumbai, maximum salary value is 40,000. So, in output also it is 40,000. And in Pune, maximum salary value is 35,000. So, in output also it is 35,000. Now, according to question, only those groups will be displayed in which minimum age is less than 30. So, now we will check minimum age in each location group. See, the minimum age in Pune is 28. In Mumbai, it is 38. And in Delhi, it is 30. So, as you saw that the minimum age in Pune is less than 30. So, here in output, only Pune will be displayed. See the output. Only the group of Pune is displayed because the minimum age in Pune is less than 30. So, our query will be this. Here, as we discussed, in group by clause, I have used the field LOC, and in having clause, I have specified the condition which we want to apply on groups of records. So, here the condition is mean age less than 30. Means minimum age should be less than 30. And in select clause, I have used function max on column salary to display maximum salary values.